do a quick video on how to check start capacitors. So these three capacitors here are on my rotary phase converter, and all of a sudden it stopped wanting to start on its own. So I've already discharged these. When I took them off, I'll just double check. Just take a screwdriver across the terminals, make sure the capacitors are discharged. So I just have my multimeter set up on the microfarad side. So 667. And these are rated 630 to 750. Let's go check the next one. Okay. So all of these are within their operating range, so I'll do a little more diagnostics.